1, 2, 3, start.
Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday.
Very good. चलो आता फॉरवर्ड. हाँ.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Right.
Friday, Saturday,
Very good. Clap for yourself. आता मंडे पासून स्पेलिंग सांगायचं. चलो. मंडे,
Monday,
ट्यूसडे,
Tuesday,
Very good. Wednesday.
Ved,
Is it VED?
WED,
Huh?
WED,
Huh?
NES,
Huh?
DAY,
Very good. Thursday.
TH,
Hmm?
TH,
Hmm?
UR,
Hmm?
yes,
Hmm?
yes,
Hmm?
DAY,
Very good. Friday.
FR,
Hmm?
I,
Hmm?
FRI,
Hmm?
DAY,
Very good. Saturday.
SAT,
Hmm? Huh.
TURAY,
आणि संडे.
SUNDAY.
ओके, इथे SUN का घेतलं रे? SON का नाही घेतलं?
SON पर्सन साठी असतो,
ओके, आणि SUN कशासाठी असते?
वरच्या साठी.
ओके, व्हेरी गुड.